Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to text behind person effect in CapCut. So for you to actually add this effect, we first have to create our base video. So just click on new project and choose the video that you want to use. So here, the first thing that you want to do is add your text. So here, just click on add text, and for example, I just want to add a word here, which is text. So just click on the plus button there, and from here we want to extend this to the very end of our video. Make sure we got all of that, and from here you want to expand our text that actually captures the whole screen of our video. And from here you just want to export this, but you could actually edit your text like before exporting. So yeah, you could add a different styles to it and edit how you want it to look. You could add in fade ins and fade out. So once you've done that, just click on the top right corner. That's gonna export our video. So once it's done exporting, just click on the done button here, and you want to create a new project and use the first video that you created. So this is the first video. Just click on add, and from here you just want to click on the overlay button on the bottom right and just click on add overlay. Now you should choose the first video that you actually use, so just click on add, and you want to extend or make your video a lot bigger so that it actually fits into your screen. And from here you just want to make sure that you actually select the overlay layer. So from here you want to select the cut out option and just choose the remove background, and just click on the check at the bottom right, and that's actually gonna remove the background for our video. And as you can see, we now have the text behind person effect on our CapCut. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.